it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have our ice cream beauty box for the month of April. So this is a $25 monthly subscription, and in this box you get 5 to 7 beauty products. This box is heavy on the makeup, so if you're looking for a box that gives you a lot of makeup, this is one I would highly recommend. But they're going to test your limits with the color, so if you're not into too much color, you might have a little bit of a problem. But this box definitely will push your limits with the color. So without further delay, let's get in here, open this thing up. So it says April, spring is on the horizon. So that's the theme for the month. And let's see what products we have in here. Let's just get it crump, right? So the first item I'm pulling out, we have a Dulce product here, and it looks like I have the Magic Marker eyeliner. It looks like some people got the lipstick from Dulce, lip gloss rather, from Dulce. So I got the eyeliner. This is valued at $23, and it's so the information we have here, guys, is that the eyeliner, the container is thick, making it easier to apply. Again, this is $23. So let's just take it out and take a look-see at what we have. So this is how it looks outside of the box, and I'll just pull it off. Oh, it is. It's like a Sharpie marker. So, yeah, I don't know if you like the liquids, but this is definitely a liquid eyeliner. This is the color black, and I will do a line right here. Yeah, it goes on. That's a very, bold line here with just one little swatch. So, yeah, if you're not into, like, the liquid liner, I don't know how you might feel about this. But me, I don't have a problem with the liquid liner. As long as my eyes are not tearing up, we're good to go, because we're back in allergy season again, so I might be tearing up. So some days I can't use the liquid because my eyes is just tearing up too bad. So that's the first item here in our box, is the Dulce, valued at $23. So let's see what else is in here. We have Shantico Beauty again. So this is a Shantico Beauty. This is their Duo Chrome Duo. This is valued at $20. So let's see what colors we have. I think this is a mirror, but it just has like a covering over it. So this is our duo here, and it says, we're so excited to feature this exclusive mini palette. And this is eyeshadow here. This is the palette features one multi-chrome and one duochrome shade. It says the sparkle and the shift of these two are amazing. They pack on the colors with just your fingertips, or use a sponge or brush for best results. So I think these are really nice colors. I did do a swatch with this just to kind of see how they turn out. Now you guys know I like my colors. This one here though, I like the Shantico because it doesn't necessarily look like what it's going to come out like. I thought it was they kind of duochromed a bit, and it had a different kind of look than what I was expecting. But yeah, I think they have a lot of pigment in these Shantico colors, because like my fingertips was like completely covered and were like very chromy looking. But yeah, I like this. I think this is great, especially if you need some kind of quick pop of color. You can throw this in your bag, take it with you for travel. Perfect little size. So let's go ahead and hit our next one. And again, guys, this was $20 for the Shantico Duochrome eyeshadow palette here. So guys, the next thing we have a Charmacy product, and they're pretty frequent in this box, the Charmacy brand. So this is the multi-chrome liquid eyeshadow. This is valued at $12. So guys, like, how do you guys feel about these liquid eyeshadows? As you can see, this is another kind of duochromy color that'll be reflective. I'm not that much of a fan though of these liquid eyeshadows, because it just depends like how it dries down. I feel like, I don't know, I haven't used these that much with the liquid ones. I don't know how you guys have made out with the liquid eyeshadows, but I mean, like something like this I probably would just put like a little bit under my brow right here. Or do the inner corners with something like this, because it's such a loud eyeshadow, because of the duochromes, it's just going to be like a lot. So I mean, or you know what, you could just use this as like an eyeliner too on the top one and kind of just have it go across for a more dramatic kind of look. But it just depends on how you like to wear your makeup. And yeah, I'm not that much of a fan of these liquid eyeshadows, so I'm not even going to bother to open it. I don't want to swatch it because I'm probably giving it away. But yeah, that's just my thing. But this again is valued at $12. The information they have on here about it is, it says don't be fooled by the color in the bottle, which yeah, I'm more than sure it looks completely different. And it says this can be used on its own or as a eyeshadow topper. It says once the product set, it can no longer be blended out. See, that's another reason why I don't like these liquid ones that much. But it says or you'll start to see it get patchy if you don't work really fast with applying the product. So that's why I'm not much of a big fan with these liquid eyeshadows. I don't care for them too much, but that's just my opinion. If you guys have made out better with these liquid eyeshadows, let me know. But yeah, for me, the way I like to wear my makeup, this is not one of those kind of things that I like to mess with. Because if you make a mistake, you're not fast enough, it don't look right, you can't really correct it. I don't know, you guys let me know how y'all feel about these liquid eyeshadows. So let's hit the next thing up in our box. So the next thing I have is Beauty for Certain. This brand has been in this box before as well. And for Beauty for Certain, what did we get here? We got a matte lipstick. This is valued at $22, and it says these shades vary for the matte lipstick. They're very pigmented. Be sure to prep your lips with a balm to avoid your lips drying out, and you can use it, you can also top it with a clear lip gloss. So this is our color here. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna swatch this too on the back of my hand so you guys can see. So this is the color. Maybe it'll be okay, I don't know, but we already know it's probably pretty drying because they're telling you to put a base down. So this is our little swatch of the color here so you guys can see. And this is more like a, I don't know, like a sienna kind of brownie red, more brownie than red. I don't know, I probably can use it. Maybe I'll do like one of those looks where you kind of have it on the bottom lip and then do another color and kind of work that way with it. I don't know if I could do a full lip with this one and it look good on me. So I don't know, I'll have to play around with it and see if I like it. But yeah, this is one of those lips that matte lipsticks that they really dry down very quickly. So it's on. So there's no changing it after you get it on. But that's the color. This is what we have here, and I think they have number 22 is, I guess, the color that we have. But yeah, so that is Beauty for Certain's. This is their liquid matte lipstick, and these dry down pretty quick because I know we got one before and that one dried down pretty quick. So when it's on, it's on. So you definitely will need something underneath to keep your lips from drying out. I definitely agree. So let's see what else is in here. I think this is our last item actually. Hold on. Yeah. This is our last item. So this is our palette for the month. And who made this one? This, oh, it's the Ofra palette. I love Ofra products. I love our products. So we have an Ofra palette. The palette is valued at $39, and this is good to go. This palette made by Ofra Cosmetics. So it says you won't need anything besides this palette, foundation, and lipstick to complete a full look. The palette contains $109 worth of product in one palette. The palette has a blush, a bronzer, a highlighter, and 7 eyeshadow shades. Oh wow. So you open it, this is what it looks like. Very nice. No mirror, but that's cool because Ofra products are already kind of pricey, so just to get the products I think is good. So the highlighter is the one in the middle from what I'm seeing here. And the way the products names are Clean State, Reset, Fresh, Reality. We have Ambition here, Goals is this one. Intentions is the one on the bottom here. And current is the other. So you can just, they said create your whole look. You could use the dampen your brush or not dampen your brush to apply the products. But yeah, this is like a whole face. Yeah, you definitely can do a whole face, because I feel like these you can do as your mattes and kind of make a base here. And I'm gonna pop this off. This comes off. Yeah, so there's no glare. But yeah, you can have fun with this and kind of do a full face with this. Ofra makes some great, amazing looking highlighters. I'm gonna just do a quick little swatch. Look at how my fingertip looks, and we'll put it next to what we're building over here. And you can see like Ofra products are really great. That's a nice highlighter, really nice. So this is our palette here, valued at $39. So guys, you know the Ofra is calling my name. That is my favorite item out of this box, without a doubt. Without a doubt. Followed up, I'm going to say, by the Chantico eye palette here too, because I think these colors are really, really nice, and I think you can blend them out to something really pretty and create a really cool look with these monochromes. And then I do like the Dulce eyeliner as well. Now, the liquid eyeshadow I'm not a fan of, because I'm just not a fan of. Now, this color, we still out to lunch on until I actually put it on my lips, but I don't know about this color. I'm a bit worried about this color on my skin tone, so I don't know how that's going to play out. But guys, that is our box for April 2024 for spring. I'm really hyped about this Ofra palette. I can't wait to play in that one. But yeah, this is our box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, and you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what's in my subscription boxes, as well as what I'm buying. If that is something that you're into, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It will definitely let you know when I next post my next video. But guys, enjoy this beautiful weather we're having, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.